Hey traders, Sophia here. And today's episode is going to hit a little deeper than usual. We're not talking strategy, not setups, not indicators. We're talking about something that quietly wrecks more trading accounts than a bad market: overtrading. If you've ever looked at your screen, exhausted after a session, wondering, why did I take that last trade? Or if you've ever chased a loss, doubled your lot size, and called it discipline, this one's for you. Today, we're asking the hard question: are you addicted to trading? And I've got a quiz to help you find out. Segment 1. Take the quiz. Are you overtrading or addicted? Let's get real. I'm going to read 10 statements. Count how many apply to you. Do you trade at odd hours like 3 a.m., even when you're exhausted? Do you keep trading after a big loss, hoping to win it back quickly? Have you increased your trade size after losing, just to recover faster? Do you find yourself glued to the screen for hours, even when you planned to stop? Do you skip meals or cancel plans to keep trading? Do you feel anxious or irritable when you're not trading? Do you constantly check charts or apps on your phone? Have friends or family express concern about how much you trade? Do you keep trading even when your strategy says to stop? Do you avoid journaling trades because you know the truth looks ugly? Got your number? Here's what it means. 0 to 2 yes, you're probably in control. Keep it that way. 3 to 5 yes, warning lights are flashing. It's time to slow down and reassess. 6 to 8 yes, you're showing strong signs of trading addiction. Take action now. 9 to 10 yes, this is serious. You're in full-blown gambling mode. You need urgent intervention. Segment 2. What overtrading actually looks like. Overtrading is sneaky. It doesn't start with a boom. It starts with one extra trade, then another, and soon you're ignoring your strategy, skipping meals, glued to a screen at 2 a.m. with bloodshot eyes and no edge. Here's how it typically plays out. You lose a trade and jump into the next one to win it back. You win a trade and feel invincible, so you increase your size. You feel like the market owes you a win, or you're in a slump you have to break. You justify it all with "I've got a feeling." If any of that resonates, you're not alone. Segment 3. Why overtrading happens and why it's so hard to stop. The rush of digital options is real. Fast results, fast feedback. A win feels euphoric. A loss feels personal. Here's what fuels overtrading: chasing losses, trying to get back to break even fast. Trading out of boredom or stress, not because of opportunity, but because of emotion. Overconfidence after a win, the "I can't lose" trap. Avoidance, not journaling, not reviewing, just staying busy to avoid facing your numbers. But here's the hard truth. Overtrading isn't a hustle. It's self-sabotage dressed up as ambition. Segment 4. How to break the overtrading cycle. Let's talk action. What do you do if you're stuck in the loop? If you scored 3 to 5 on the quiz, create a structured plan. Limit trading hours, number of trades per session. Use chart alerts instead of staring at screens. Journal every trade and include your mood at the time. Weekly reviews, not just profit/loss, but discipline check-ins. If you scored 6 to 8, step back for a few days. Reset your mind. Set fixed trading hours, no 24/7 sessions. Get accountability. Share your journal with someone. Track your emotional triggers. Know when you spiral and pause. If you scored 9 to 10, go cold turkey, at least for a week. Seek outside help, a coach, mentor, or even a trading therapist. Replace your routine. Fill the space with something that grounds you. Block trading apps from your phone if needed. Seriously, remember, trading should be boring, controlled, systematic. If it feels like a high-stakes game every session, you're gambling, not trading. Segment 5. The Trader's Planner, a mindset tool. Want a way to stay grounded? Start a Trader's Planner. Include pre-trade checklist. Did I sleep? Eat? Is this trade part of my plan? Post-trade reflection. Did I follow my rules? How did I feel? Daily review. What did I learn today? What will I not do tomorrow? Sounds simple, but pros do it because it works. Segment 6. final thoughts, calm chaos. Let me leave you with this. The best digital options traders, they don't chase trades. They don't need a win. They don't tie their identity to a green day. They're calm, focused, boring even. That's not weakness, that's mastery. If you've fallen into the trap of overtrading, that doesn't mean you're broken. It means you're human. But now it's time to stop reacting and start responding. Build systems, use tools, get support, and most importantly, slow down. And if you're looking for a platform that encourages smart, responsible trading, not impulsive gambling, check out crystalballmarkets.com. Trade digital options with structure, transparency, and control. That's it for today's episode. If this hit home, share it with a fellow trader who might need to hear it. And subscribe for more mindset, strategy, and real talk every week. Until next time, stay focused, trade smart, and remember, your trading psychology is your true edge.